How to delete all the Facebook shared posts. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and today I will show you how you can delete all the Facebook shared posts on your Facebook app. To do that, make sure that you have installed the latest version of Facebook on your phone with the help of Google Play Store. Just search Facebook on the search bar and after that you can simply go on the Facebook application that you have already installed. After going on the Facebook, on the top right side you will see three vertical lines. Tap on the three vertical lines of your Facebook, tap on settings and privacy. After tapping on settings and privacy, tap on settings again. And now just scroll down and down up until you see the option of activity log. After you see the option of activity log, just tap on your Facebook activity and then tap on the post and tap on your post photos and videos. After you tap on this, you can see all the posts that you have made, and if you want to delete any post, just select on them and tap on trash, or you can simply tap on archive as well, or if you want to permanently delete it, tap here. So you can simply tap on hide from profile, move to archive, or move to trash if you want to delete it. I do it on move to trash. So yes, this is how you do it. I hope this helps you. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe and comment on our video. Thank you.